In this video, you will learn how to send out a payment request using your mobile app so you can get paid even if you don't have an access to a computer. So let's get started. So in order for you to use this text to pay feature, you will need two things in your GoHighLevel account. Number one is you will need to have your payment processor connected, which is what I use is Stripe. And the second thing is you will need to have a phone number connected to your account. If you do not have these two things, please check out my other videos and get that handled, then come back here. Now I'm logged into my account and I'm on my computer. On the phone app, it's exactly the same thing. Number one is first go to conversations, click on the person that you want to send an invoice to. All you need to do is go to here where it says request payment, and then just press this button and you'll see this thing pop up. All you need to do is enter the name of the product, what is the price, and then press this green button. And once you press this button, you'll put this person into the workflow where you'll automatically send reminders until they pay. So if you're using the app, basically there is a plus sign. So it is the same thing. You just press the plus sign and then you see a request payment. And that's where you can enter the item, the price, and also the invoice due date. And then you just need to press the generate link to send the invoice out. So that's how you use this text to pay feature.